Are you, a business owner, struggling to keep your head above water because you were affected during the COVID pandemic? Now, the good news is that the federal government has implemented a program to help businesses like yours to recover. Have you heard of the Employee Retention Credit, or ERC? Now, the program allows you to claim money back for qualified wages and benefits paid to your employers, and it is worth checking out. Now, in 2021, you could claim ERC equal to 70% of qualifying wages, and in 2020, you can claim up to 50%. This means that if your company had 11 employees and you took a PPP loan, you could potentially get around a refund of around $1 million. But do you know if your business is eligible? Now, to qualify, your business must have been in existence since February 15 of 2020 and have 100 or fewer employees for 2020 and 500 or fewer for 2021. Additionally, your business must have partially or fully suspended operations or reduced business hours due to government orders and experience a significant decline in gross receipts because of the due to the pandemic. Now, the ERC is a complex with strict eligibility requirements and changes since 2020. Don't worry, at Estrada Vega Capitals, we are here to help you navigate the full process. We provide a thorough evaluation of eligibility, comprehensive analysis of your claim, guidance on the claiming process, and then a specific program expertise. Plus, we have dedicated specialists that will interpret the complex program rules and will be available to answer any of your questions. And the best part is our interests are aligned. We only receive a fee if we recover your money. Founded in 2008, Estrada Vega Capital is a North American leading contingency-based cost consulting and funding firm and has worked with 10,000 clients, bringing over $1 billion in lending since its inception. Don't miss out on the opportunity to claim your money back. Reach out to us to see if you qualify. Don't wait any longer.